Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right away. Check TPM and Secure Boot because Windows 10 needs compatible firmware settings. Make a quick system image and copy critical files to an external drive to avoid data loss. Then download the official Windows 10 ISO or media creation tool so you have a clean installer. Once those files are ready, create a bootable USB. This gets you out of the current OS and into the installation environment without extra delay. Once booted from the USB, choose Custom Install to control partitions. You're doing this to reliably replace Windows 11 with Windows 10. Select the existing Windows partition, delete or format it, and then pick the unallocated space for installation. Make sure you have chipset and network drivers on a second USB in case Windows 10 misses them. This prevents internet or hardware issues during setup. If asked, enter your product key or choose to activate later with a digital license. After installation completes, install manufacturer's drivers and run Windows Update to get security and stability fixes. This resolves most hardware quirks. Restore your files and reinstall apps, then verify Windows 10 activation in settings so updates continue. If the system won't boot, boot the installer USB and choose Repair Your Computer, then troubleshoot Right Arrow Startup Repair. This rebuilds boot records. If activation or drivers fail, roll back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.